Hey, didn't see you there. You ever just feel like you need to go up north and kind of get away from cell phone coverage and just go look for a waterfall? Well, that's what we're going to do. There. Made it up north. Oh, I think I forgot the B-roll. Probably ought to play that now. All right, made it up to our location and can't find a waterfall right at the moment because the snow is still pretty deep in some areas, but we're gonna do some exploring and see what's out there. I've been coming up here probably 15 plus years, and everything, you can always find something new. But first things first, it's lunchtime. I need to cook some food. That's cool. I just went through a whole speech and then hit the stop record button, which actually started the record, so it was completely useless. Anyways, what I was saying was I'm just waiting for my food to finish heating up, and then Duke and I, after lunch, gonna walk down, check out this mountain stream that intersects with the Gold Brook that comes down through. Yes, Duke, I know you're excited. He's also getting my seat completely muddy, which I'll show you right now. Well, that was a epic fail. Tried going down to the river and the snow is still about up to my knees, and there's no place down by the bank because the runoff is actually higher than I thought. That's why we called it a scouting mission, I guess. Whew. I dropped this camera. I just had to come back and clean it. Just not fun. Whew. But we'll go try some other spots. There's a big overlook a couple miles down the road. We'll see what that looks like right now. Well, we are magic of YouTube. We're at Grafton Notch. We're at Waterfalls, which is out behind me here. And I found a really nice place to get a composition right in this notch of this rock. We're going to set up the other camera and try to get a nice picture here. The other spot didn't work out too well. It was too snow covered, but this place is just off the hook. And I'm standing right on the edge. All right, let's do it. In this clip, you can clearly see that my framing is terrible as I stand above this 50 to 70 foot cliff, putting my life and limb on the line to gather content just for you. And I won't bore you with this shot for too long. I'll go ahead and show you a waterfall shot right here. This is with a 10 to 20 millimeter lens set up exactly where I'm set up, perched like a seal getting ready to fall off a cliff. And I'll show you a few shots coming across the screen now that I was able to take. Another perfect example of not planning. I snapped my fingers as if I was snapping them from another location. However, I didn't have the start snap. So enjoy this ending snap once more. Hey! Well, we're back. We're going to call that a wrap. We did the waterfall, the peak of Grafton Notch right over there. It kind of fizzled out, and this wind is just, it's getting kind of chilly, so we're heading home for the day. Thanks for coming along.